We are Team Duct Tape, a community-based FTC team from Oldsmar, Florida. We are enthusiastic about STEM, robotics, and of course, having fun.
Our motto is,
We stick together!
Team Duct Tape loves outreach. TDT is the first FTC team to win the first Blue Ribbon Showcase Award in recognition of our outreach efforts. Here's a list of all the outreaches we've done this past season.
Team Duct Tape communicates with each other through our weekly update, and we communicate with the world in many ways, like a constantly updated teamducttape.com, our YouTube channel, and of course, Facebook and Twitter.
Our strategy for the first competition of Block Party is to focus on the autonomous goals and the endgame goal. For our second competition, we're going to focus on a block collector that will allow us to score blocks in the basket.
Once we define our strategy, we begin the development phase. We sketch out our ideas and build models. Then we bring our concepts into Autodesk Inventor to determine the measurements and functionality of the design before heading into the workshop to build.
We practice creative problem solving, and our design tends to change over time. For example, we had a 3-to-1 gear ratio, which was too fast and uncontrollable, but then we bumped it down to a 1-to-1 gear ratio, which was more controllable and maneuverable.
One of the great implemented ideas that was simple and modular and robust on a robot was our lift. What we did was we had a lead screw as the bottom part connected to the robot, as well as a second tier, which is 2 arms that would grab on and hang the robot.
Team Duct Tape divides into smaller specialty teams which include programming, CADing, mechanical, strategy, outreach, and business. Each team is cross-trained to be in more than one team, and each team has at least 2 members to avoid dependency on any one person. We meet as a team on Saturdays and in smaller groups as needed.
Using Robot C, we have made multiple autonomous programs and a teleop program. While we were waiting for a robot to be built, we used miniature NXT robots, and we used the gyro, the light sensors, and the infrared to control our robot.
Our business plan for this season outlined funding for a robot build plus spare parts, field elements, shop equipment, tools, and team building events. Our goal this year was to increase our fundraising by finding new sources. We raised money through donations, team fees, a Kickstarter campaign, and corporate sponsors. In total, our team raised more than $5,200 so far this season. To date, we have spent about $2,400.